Hey guys, this is John with the RTT Cruiser channel. Today we got in our Tepui Autana XL Sky in tan color. This is the Autana 4. It's supposed to be a 3+ tent, and we're going to do a quick unboxing video. So I just got this off the truck, and I basically it's got a couple some wood frames at the bottom and on the top, just to kind of protect it a little bit, with some I guess straps to hold all that together. And I don't know, the box didn't look damaged, not too much. It had a couple little scuff marks down here in the bottom, but didn't look like it penetrated through the board. So and it also looks like it's made in China, like everything else is nowadays. But anyways, let's do a quick video, just unbox it, just to kind of take a look at and see what we see inside. All right, so we flipped the cardboard out of it, and really there's not much protection on the inside whatsoever. It's just this kind of double layered cardboard, and that's it. It just sits inside the cardboard. So aside from this little crappy wood frame structure that they put on top and the bottom, and a cardboard, that's the only thing protecting this thing. But with that said, on the boxes it did have notes saying do not use forklift and etc. So hopefully everything's okay inside. So let's keep taking it apart and see what else we got. All right, so of course we had it upside down, so we had to flip it off real quick, flip it over. And both sides have this little protective plastic nothing on it. Which,
plastic nothing.
Yeah, I think it protects from very minor scratches. But other than that, so far we don't see any damages. There have been a couple little indentations on the bottom, but it looks pretty flimsy, so it's going to get a lot more just during the years of use. We're going to open it up and see what's on the inside. All right, so we unbuckled the straps, and my lovely assistant will open it up and let's see what happens. Ooh, it's a pretty brown, greenish brown. That's a green top with the tan side.
Ah, the owner's manual fell out.
We don't need that.
Ha.
Ah, that's where we're going to be sleeping the next few camping trips to Colorado.
That's pretty cool. Look, you got a sticker for your car.
Cool. All right, let's see what's inside. All right, let's see what all they stowed inside. Here, undo this buckle, and then let's get the rain fly off. 2 buckles off with the rain fly.
And this is
that's the extension. The the awning.
Okay. And this part right here has a bar in it, so this is supposed to stand out.
That's the door, yeah. All right. Cool.
It's nice in here. Golly, it is roomy.
Lift the door up.
It's got the nice ladder in here.
Lift the mesh up. I can't see you. I can't see inside. All right.
There we go. It's got openings on both the tops.
It's really nice. All right, so we have, oh, that's the cover, and then some stuff.
Like steaks.
some more
Looks
stuff.
like steak.
Some ladder.
Very nice ladder.
Ooh.
Got poles.
The poles.
And then we've got this.
Oh, that's the annex. I
This
hope
is
that
the-
thing
this
is
the
really heavy, because this whole tent was already heavy just to move
This.
around.
Weighs as much as the tent.
Good, because we'll leave that behind most of the time. All right,
We've got this.
another
I
cover.
don't know what this is.
That should be the cover. I don't know what the other one is, and we'll have to check out and see what the, maybe the other one is the bag for the awning. I mean, for the annex. I bet the annex comes with the bag that you can put in there too as well.
There's a bag.
Well, we got a lot of stuff. Let's get everything out of the tent, and then we'll categorize what all we got.
Room in here though. Oh gosh, this is nice.
It is pretty
So
big.
roomy.
And this is the 72-inch wide tent. This is the 3+ tent from Tepui. All right, let's take a closer look at the stuff we got in here. All right, guys, so I pulled everything from the inside. So basically we get, I guess, a cover, the tarp, the cover for the tent for the outside. Here's the annex. We get a 7 or 8 foot ladder. I think it's 8.6 inch ladder or something like that. And then this ended up being the flooring for the annex, and some hardware and the poles. I don't exactly know what's in here yet, but yeah, it looks like all the hardware to put the tracks together and everything else. So that's it, guys. It's gonna be a quick unboxing video. We'll put up another video here when we mount it, and maybe some excursions. But for this video, I think this is all I want to do. Just unbox it, give you guys a quick idea of what to expect when you order this and you get it dropped off from the freight delivery people. So anyway, like, share, and see you guys later.